So, hello everyone. So today I'll be explaining the number one question, the difference. The relationship in between. So, firstly, we have the aptitude and awareness. So, aptitude refers to an individual's inherent or natural ability to learn or perform a certain task or a skills. Awareness, on the other hand, pertains to one's consciousness or understanding of oneself and others and that also the environment. So the relationship between aptitude and awareness lies in how awareness of one's aptitudes can influence learning and performance. For example, being aware of one's strengths and weaknesses and language learning aptitude can help individuals tailor their learning strategies to maximize their potential. So we have the B. So the B is aptitude, that task-based learning and task-based design. Task-based learning is an approach to language teaching that focuses on the completion of meaningful tasks as the primary vehicle for language learning. So, aptitude plays a role in task-based learning as the individuals with different aptitudes may approach tasks differently and have varying levels of success. Task-based design involves creating tasks that is appropriately challenging and engaging for learners based on their aptitudes and learning goals. The last one is the attention and FONF techniques. So, aptitude can influence learners' ability to pay attention to relevant um, language input and apply the form focus instruction techniques. So, uh, it is effectively no. So attention is a crucial for language learning as it facilitates the processing and encoding of linguistic information. Individuals with high aptitude may demonstrate better attentional control and be more receptive to FONF techniques, such as explicit grammar, instruction, or corrective feedback rather. So leading to enhanced language and learning outcomes.
Second question, what are the issues of the aptitude test? There are four issues for research and development of traditional aptitude tests. 1. How do the cognitive abilities measured in aptitude tests facilitate learning under different conditions of instructional exposure? Understanding cognitive abilities in learning, this involves researching how the cognitive abilities assessed by aptitude tests contribute to language learning under different teaching methods and environments. For example, how does a person's ability to analyze linguistic patterns affect their learning outcomes in a traditional classroom versus an immersive language program? Second issue, what are the aptitude components that predict the ability to learn and perform successfully on different types of pedagogic tasks? Identifying predictive aptitude components, this refers to determining which specific cognitive abilities measured by aptitude tests are most strongly associated with success in different language learning tasks. Researchers aim to pinpoint the key abilities that enable learners to excel in tasks such as vocabulary acquisition, grammar comprehension, or pronunciation mastery. Third issue, how different are aptitudes for early and advanced language learning? Investigating differences in aptitudes for different learning stages, these issues examines whether certain aptitude factors are more relevant for initial language learning compared to more advanced stages. Researchers explore whether the abilities needed for basic language acquisition differ from these necessary for more complex language tasks such as translation or interpretation. The last issue, what are the aptitude components that predict acquisition of pragmatic abilities? Exploring aptitude for pragmatic abilities involve understanding and using language appropriately in social contexts, such as understanding conversational nonsense or using polite forms of address. Research in this area seeks to identify which cognitive abilities contribute to the development of these pragmatic skills and how they be assessed effectively in aptitude tests.
Pick one annotated bibliography represented. Explain the connection of this research and that conducted by Peter Robinson. So, this annotated bibliography provides a comprehensive overview of research on aptitude and its relationship to second language acquisition. It explores various theoretical perspectives, empirical studies, and methodological approaches used to investigate the role of aptitude in language learning. Robinson's research, as preference in bibliography, contributes to this body of literature by examining specific aptitude factors and their impact on language learning outcomes. His work delves into the complexities of aptitude assessment, the interaction between aptitude and instructional variables, and the implications for language teaching pedagogy. By synthesizing insights from diverse studies, Robinson's research enriches our understanding of how aptitude influences second language acquisition process and informs instructional practices aimed at optimizing language learning opportunities for learners with different aptitude profiles.